Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Thank you guys for waking me up with all those beautiful results that we had from last night $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, it was wonderful. I'm really happy that you guys are really taking advantage of this program and we have been milking the market successfully. I just hope you are able to withdraw something for yourself. Okay, I know you all want to grow your trading capital, but at least you should set a certain amount aside for your personal use. Okay, that is also very important. Okay guys, we will be checking out today's video successfully. Okay, and we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is our simple trading strategy for trading boom and crash part 3. That of yesterday was part 2 and the day before yesterday was part 1. Okay, today is going to be the part 3 of it, and which will also be the concluding part of the training session. Okay, so in case you missed the part 1 and you also missed the part 2, you can go back to the channel and watch this is the part 1 and here is the part 2, so you can watch them to understand how to go about it. Okay, this is just for you to know how to trade successfully, what you should look out for whenever you are trading. So this will help you, it will help you to know each of the assets very well, their movements, the market situation for each of them, and where you are likely to find opportunity whenever you are trading them. Okay, these are some of the things that we've been looking at for the past 2 to 3 days now. Okay, so we will continue from there right away. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are joining us for the first time, this is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, make sure you watch them, understand, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important, guys. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, we'll be going straight into what we have for today, which is simple trading strategy for trading boom and crash successfully, and it's going to be the part 3 and the concluding part of it. Okay, so we will go straight into the channel, to the charts right away to check them out. Okay, like I said, for you to trade each of these assets, okay, you need to know the exact trend that is best suitable to trade on the particular direction you want to trade. Okay, like I said, the normal movement for any newbie, okay, for boom, which any newbie will take advantage of, is that of the downtrend, because for boom it goes down steadily till it gets to a stage whereby there will be a sudden spike. Okay, while the normal movement for crash is uptrend. Okay, because it goes up steadily till it gets to a place where there will be a sudden crash down in the market. Okay, in the market price. So that is the way it works. Okay, so if you have not experienced the spikes before, you will think that you are a professional trading these two assets. Okay, not until you experience the site, that is when the fear or the confidence which you have built over the time will reduce at that particular time, because at that stage it would look as if you don't know what you are doing again. Okay, so that is it. So that is why it is important you know all these. Okay, so what are the things that we need to know in order to trade this asset successfully? Like I said, I don't want to waste our time here because we have a lot of things to cover today in order for us to conclude this topic successfully, or this training session successfully. The the first thing we need to consider, like I have said in my intro video and the one I posted yesterday, was that I mean, what I said was you need to take your trend very very serious. You need to take it very serious. The trend is so important in order to trade all these assets successfully, and you need to know the right trend for each of them. Okay, you need to know the right trend for each of them. So if you cannot identify your trend, then you find it difficult to trade it, to trade any of these assets successfully. Okay, so this is how to go about it. Okay, first of all, if you are selling boom, then the best trend for you to sell it is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, the best trend for you to sell it, which is this region. Okay, this is the best trend for you to sell it, is when the market is on downtrend. And when you are buying the spikes in boom, then the best time to do that is when the market is on uptrend, which is around this region. Just the way you have seen it, you can see when the market turned from downtrend to uptrend, there it started spiking up, but when it got to this region, it came down to this support zone again. But even with that, you can see that there are so many spikes happening around here. There are so many spikes happening around here, and at this stage it broke out from here successfully, and it started spiking up till it got to this resistance level, and that is when it started coming down. So you can see that when the market is on uptrend, we have more spikes than when the market is on downtrend. So that is very, very important. Okay, for that is for boom. Okay, let's check out more examples on that. Okay, you can see that right here when the market was on downtrend, you can see that we had lesser amount of spikes happening around there, except when it was reversing back. Okay, and after that it came down again and came down again till it came to an end here. But check out when it was on uptrend. Okay, when it was on uptrend, you can see that we had more spikes happening around there. Okay, that is for boom. So let's check out what is happening with crash. Okay, right here with crash, you can see that when the market was on uptrend, we have lesser amount of spikes happening around there. Okay, so it keeps on going up and up and up. But when the market was on right here, that the market is on downtrend, okay, starting from this resistance level, you can see so many spikes in crash that are happening. Okay, so many of them, okay, that are happening at this stage. The resistance, every resistance levels are very, very important, because you are likely to have spikes happening around there whenever it is approaching the resistance level. So all these are very, very important. So which means if I'm to trade crash on a normal day, okay, let's say I want to buy crash, the only time I should target is when the trend is green like this. Okay, is when the trend is green. So that is when I can buy crash successfully and go and buy it to the very last of the trend. Okay, last part of the trend. But whenever I want to trade this crash down candles in spikes, in crash, or probably I want to trade the spikes in crash, definitely I should focus more when the market is on downtrend. You can see right here we had so many crashes happening right here, and as you can see, this is 5-minute time frame. If you can have 41 bars created here, you can multiply that by 5 minutes, you can see that that would be a lot of profit for us. Okay, that would be a lot of profit for us. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So let's check out crash 500 also. You can see right here with crash 500, when the market was on downtrend, you can see that there are so many crashes happening here, so many of them, so many crashes happening around here. You can see it till this level. But when the market started the uptrend, we have lesser amount of spikes happening compared to the movement of the market, the upward movement of the market. Okay, so that makes it very easy for us to analyze the market, and it makes it very easy for us to trade. All you need to do, the first thing you should know, is the trend. Okay, once you are done with the trend, then the next thing you should know is your support and resistance levels. Okay, so that before going into that, okay, let's say I want to trade the spikes also in crash, then it means that I should focus more on the downtrend. Okay, which means, okay, right here the trend is changed from, the trend changed from uptrend to downtrend, so which means around here I should place my, I should place my order around here, and I'll start milking the market from there to the very last level of the trend. Okay, of the trend. That is amazing, right? And this is on 5 minute time frame, and this will take me for days before I will achieve the trend. I will achieve my trading from this stage to this stage, to this part of the trend. Okay, so this is amazing, and this can help you to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, so back to what I was saying before, that the first thing you should look out for is your trend. Okay, once you are able to identify your trend, if you are not good with your technical analysis, you can go back and learn it. Okay, you can go back and learn it, but if you think you don't have all the time to do that, okay, you can get some of the custom made indicators that can help you to highlight some of these places so that you will know how to trade it successfully, or you will, so that you will find it easy to do your analysis. Okay, okay just the way we have seen it on this chart, I'm having the QDC scraper trading indicator, and of course we can see the trend right here. Okay, this is showing us the trend right from the beginning. So once you are able to identify your trend, for instance, okay, right now the market is on uptrend right now, so it means that the buy signals will be stronger than the sell signal around here, so I can easily come in and buy. Okay, I can easily come in and buy crash, and if it should go to 1000, let's check that. Okay, check out here, right here the market was also on uptrend. Okay, so right here I can easily come in and buy. You can see this long buying opportunity. You get so many long buying opportunities around there, so I can easily come in and buy. And if I'm patient enough and I'm having enough trading capital, I can come in right from here and be in the market till the end of the trend, or till I'm tired of making profits. Okay, so I can be in the market and end it right here. Okay, it will take a long time, but I think it's worth it than me looking for every corner. Looking for opportunities around the charts, so this can make it very easy for me to trade successfully. And the same thing is applicable to you trying to trade the spikes. For instance, you can see it changes from uptrend here to downtrend on this resistance zone, so which means I can start selling right from here, and it will keep on spiking, or it will keep on crashing down and crashing down and crashing down. You can see that it crashed down to this level, pulling back a bit for now, but once it gets here, it is most likely it crashed down again and try to break out from this support zone. Okay, once it breaks out from here, then this support zone should be the next point. Okay, so I can easily place my order right here and milk the market till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is how amazing this is. So if you are able to identify the trend, the next thing for you to do is to be able to identify your support and your resistance levels. And on the main chart, you can see the green bars are showing us the support, while these purple or red bars are showing us the resistance levels. Okay, so all these works together in order for us to trade successfully. After knowing that, the next thing we should know is our entry point and our exit point, which the arrows will also help us to identify. You can see the red arrow, it signifies sell, and you can see the blue arrows, it signifies buy. Okay, so that is the way it works, guys, and this is what you should have in order to milk the market successfully. Okay, if you are very good with your analysis, you don't need all this. All you just need to do is just to make sure you analyze well in order to make to milk the market successfully. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. I believe you guys have learned a lot. Okay, if you have the time, you can watch the videos over and over. The part one, the part two, and the part three. Okay, they are fully loaded. Okay, they are just there for you to learn everything about boom and crash and all you need to know or to have in order to trade them successfully. So I'll be stopping right here, guys. In case you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, guys, before I stop here, do not forget to join us again in the night during the time for $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, there we will be having a live event whereby we will be analyzing the markets one after the other to see the market movement and also to know the exact trade to take in order to make some profit for ourselves. We usually do this every night and I've been getting so many positive results from this, and I'm really happy that this is really helping you guys to make some money for yourself. Okay, I'm really happy that this is really happening. Okay, so guys, in case you have any question, do not forget you can contact me. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so right away. Check below this video for the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.